Good morning, students. Welcome to the computer class of 4th standard. Today, we will continue with the chapter 2, GUI Operating System, Desktop Management. Previously, we have learnt about graphical user interface and operating system, and the first three features of Windows 10, that is attractive and easy to use, improved start menu, and searching made easier with Cortana. And today we will learn about the next four features of Windows 10 that are on page number 15. And the main objectives of the day are: we will learn about Windows 10 supports multiple desktop, window snapping, the new browser Edge, and Windows Store application. So open your book at page number 15. Before discussing our main topic, we will discuss the terms. And the first term is window snapping, a feature used to work with multiple applications on the same screen. Means, students, you can open multiple applications on a single screen by using this feature. The second term is Windows Store. It provides you with all kinds of paid and free apps, games, movies, music, etc. Means you can download any application related to games, movies, music by using Windows Store application. Now on page number 15 we will do the fourth feature of Windows 10, that is Windows 10 supports multiple desktops. Windows 10 has a new Task View button on the taskbar which provides the ability to open multiple desktops at the same time. So let's do its practical on Windows 10. Students, you can see this is the taskbar, and on this taskbar this button is known as Task View button. You just have to click on this Task View button. It will show you the applications which I have opened just now, and on the right side of this window you will see the new desktop icon. You just have to click on it, and you can see that the two desktops are already created on this window. If you want to create one more desktop, then you can click this new desktop icon, and the desktops will be added according to your requirement. So there is no limit to the number of desktops that you can add on your computer. So firstly, on desktop 1 you can see that I have opened two applications, and if you want to delete any desktop, then you just have to click on this close button, and the desktop will be deleted from the screen. So this is the use of multiple desktops by using Task View button on the taskbar. The next feature of Windows 10 is window snapping. Window snapping means you can work with multiple applications on the same screen, and the shortcut key to snap the windows is Windows key plus left right arrow key. So let's do its practical on Windows 10. For window snapping, students, firstly you have to open multiple applications. So firstly, I am going to open this PC application, then recycle bin application, then the folder of Office 2007, control panel. So by default I have opened 4 applications. Now you have to click on Task View button and you can see that 4 applications I have opened just now and 2 are already opened. So total applications that are opened on the screen is 6 and these are on desktop 1. So in this way you can open multiple applications. Now if you want to open any one of these applications on desktop 2, you can simply drag that application to desktop 2. Similarly, drag the recycle bin application to desktop 2. Now you will see that desktop 1 has 4 applications, and when you move the pointer to desktop 2, it will contain the rest 2 applications, that is recycle bin and recording. Now suppose you want to delete the desktop 2, then firstly you have to drag these 2 applications from desktop 2 to desktop 1. And then you can click on this close button to close the desktop 2. And the original output will be displayed on your screen, that is the 6 applications which are opened on desktop 1. So window snapping means you can work with multiple applications on the same screen. The second way to perform the window snapping is by using the shortcut key. For that, again you have to open any 4 applications. By double clicking on any application, you will open this PC application, recycle bin application, Office 2007 application and control panel. So I have opened 4 applications on the screen, and instead of clicking on this task view button, you have to press window key plus left right arrow key from the keyboard. After pressing, you will notice that the windows are snapped on the screen, means your 5 windows are displayed on a single screen. So this is the use of the window snapping feature by using the shortcut key window key plus left right arrow key. The next feature of Windows 10 is the new browser Edge. The default browser of Windows 10 is Microsoft Edge. It allows you to write and highlight directly on web pages. So let's do it practical by opening Windows 10. Students, on the taskbar, this E icon is known as Microsoft Edge icon. So double click on this icon and Microsoft Edge window will be displayed on the screen. It will display you the latest videos, and then you have to click on this Add Notes icon. When you click on this, a new tab will appear on the screen, and this second icon is known as highlighter. Means if you want to highlight any video on the screen, you will click on this highlighter icon. You can select any color and you can drag the mouse whatever you want to highlight on a web page. And if you want to erase this highlighter, then the next button is known as eraser. You have to click on it. Click and drag the mouse to erase the highlighter from the screen. Similarly, if you want to write something on a web page, then this first icon is known as ballpoint pen. So click on it. You can choose any color from here. Move to any video where you want to write something. Now suppose I want to write here very sad. So you can simply drag the mouse pointer to write anything. And if you do any mistake, then you can again use this eraser. Move to that area, click and drag the mouse. So in this way, you can use the first ballpoint icon to write anything on a web page, second highlighter icon to highlight anything on a web page, and eraser to erase our mistakes. So Microsoft Edge is the default browser of Windows 10. And the last feature of Windows 10 is Windows Store. This application consists of all kinds of paid and free apps, games, music, movies, etc. So let's do its practical on Windows 10. Students, on the taskbar, this fourth icon, which looks like a briefcase, is known as Store icon. So double click on this icon and Store applications will be displayed on the screen. It consists of 4 tabs. The first one is Home, second is Apps, third is Games, and fourth is Movies and TV. You can also maximize it to full screen by clicking on this second icon. So click on Apps icon. It will display you the top apps specials, best selling apps. By scrolling it down, you will see top free apps and top paid apps. Similarly, when you click on this Games tab, it will display the top paid games, new PC games. By scrolling it down, you can see it will display best selling games also. So when you click on the fourth tab, that is Movies and TV, it will display new movies, top movie rentals, featured movies, etc. So this Windows Store application provides you with all kinds of paid and free apps. You can try to use an app before you buy it also. And this is the icon of Store application. And now we will do the full form of GUI, that is Graphical User Interface, and identification of one icon, that is Task View button. So students, today I have discussed about Windows 10 supports multiple desktop, window snapping, the new browser Edge, and Windows Store application. So do reading of the page number 15 and practice on Windows 10. Thank you.